Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel GetAssist.net, where I talk about email services, social media, troubleshooting and latest trends. And in today's video, I will show you some ways using which you can fix the issue if Instagram is not letting you share your post or any post to your story. So there can be times when you are not able to share any post like photo, video to your Instagram story. So there can be some ways using which you can fix that problem. So in today's video, I will be showing you few ways to fix this issue. So without any further delay, let's get started with the video. Alright, so the first reason that you are not able to share any post to your Instagram story is that person has a private account. Maybe you are in their followers list and you follow each other, but if they have a private account, you won't be allowed to share their posts to story. Alright, so that could be one reason. So you can check if they have a private account. Alright, and if you still want to share any of their posts, you can ask permission from them, and then you can take a screenshot if it is a photo, or you can simply download their post and then you can share it to your story, but with their permission only. Alright, so that's one reason. If they have a private account, so then in that case you won't be allowed to share that post to your story. Alright, the next reason is there is a setting provided by Instagram using which you can disallow people from sharing your post. Alright, so even if you have a public account, you can take this option from people that if you do not want them to share your post like your photos or videos, you can take this freedom from them. Alright, you can disable this option. So for that, what you can do is you just have to go to your profile and then you have to tap the three lines at the top right, and then you have to go to settings, and from here you have to go to privacy. Now in the story section under interactions, you will see one option at the bottom that says sharing. Allow sharing to story, allow sharing to messages. So if that person whose post you want to share to your Instagram story has turned this option off, it means if they have toggled it off, you cannot share their their post to your story. Alright, so it's written that other people can add your feed posts and IGTV videos to their stories. Your username will always be shown with your post. So if you are fine with people sharing your photos and videos, you can keep it on. But if someone has kept this option off, you won't be allowed to, or you will not see the sharing option given just below their post. Alright, and even for the second option, it says let others share photos and videos from your story in a message. So if you do not want anyone to share your post through message, through DMs, you can keep this toggled off. So that's another reason due to which you might not be allowed to share someone's story to your someone's post to your story or DMs. Alright, so that's the second reason. If these are not the reasons due to which you are not able to share the post to your story, the third reason can be if there is an internal glitch with Instagram. Alright, if the server is down, in that case also you won't be allowed to share any post to your story. So if that is happening again and again, you can just go to Google Chrome. You can use any browser on your mobile device, and you can simply search for Instagram server status. So this website can tell you if Instagram server is down or not. So as it is written that user reports indicate no current problems at Instagram. So if this website is showing any issues with Instagram, it means that due to any internal glitch with Instagram, you are not able to share post to stories. Alright, so that's the third reason. And in that case, if Instagram is down, you just have to wait for a few hours till their services get restored, and after that you can retry to share your post or any post to your story. Alright, that's the third thing you can do. Now the next solution I'm going to tell you is to simply check if you have updated your Instagram app or not. So just go to Play Store on your device and here search for Instagram and see if any update is available or not. So as you can see, I have an update pending. You can simply install the update, and once you have updated your Instagram app, you can see if you are allowed to share posts to stories or not. Alright, so that's another option. Now in case if your app is already updated, what you can do is you can simply uninstall the Instagram app completely from your device, and then you can reinstall it, as sometimes doing this can also fix minor glitches with Instagram. So you can uninstall the Instagram app from the Play Store, or you can even go to settings on your device and you can just find the Instagram app, and there you can uninstall it. Alright, so that's another thing you can do. Apart from that, what you need to do is you just have to go to settings and open the Instagram app. Once you open that, you have to go to its storage section, and here you will find one option that says clear cache and clear data. Alright, so if you will press clear cache, it will delete all the junk files that the app has accumulated over time. Alright, so that's another thing that you can do if you are facing any issues with Instagram, or if you are not able to share your post to stories. So that's one thing you can try, or you can even clear data, as this will completely log you out of Instagram. Alright, and you can start afresh by again logging back to your Instagram account. So that's another thing you can do. So these were some fixes that you can try if Instagram is not letting you share any post to your story. And I hope you found this video helpful. If you do, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and in case if you have any doubts or queries related to any of my YouTube videos, do let me know in the comment section down below. And for now, I will take the leave. We'll see you the next time.